If she has given the instruction to PI that no music should be played and very strictly to seize the equipment if there is any violation. So if Ashatar Zata, the other clubs also will get a message from this, like if there is any FIR registered, automatically other clubs, resorts, automatically they will learn from this and they will not play the music.
And there are 4 restaurants just opposite my house. I am a senior citizen, retired. I used to work in Bombay at the airport, but I cannot sleep. I have a heart attack. The music goes on till 3-4 o'clock in the morning. I have made complaints to 112 to Anjuna police station, but no action is being taken.
क्लब ओनराकूय सांगला की तुमचेर केस फायल जातली म्हणून. सो वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर दॅट. ती लॉ तेंच्यांनी ब्रेक केलो जाल्यार केस फायल करता. कित्याक धा उपरांत हायकोर्टाची लॉ आज रूल आच न्हय. देर इज नथींग न्यू अबाउट इट, बट इट वॉज नॉट इम्प्लिमेंट बाय द ऑथॉरिटीज.